Hi everyone, welcome to our ESC Easy and Simple Chemistry channel. In this channel, we explain all the chemistry topics a simple way. So please subscribe my channel for more videos as a simple way of the chemistry topics. Now let's watch. Hi everyone, today we are discussing about the importance of electronic configuration. Every electronic configuration can explain the properties of the element and position of the element in the periodic table. So first, how to write the electronic configuration? First we have to know that how to write the electronic configuration. So already see here, already we know that molecular diagram in our previous classes, 9th classes or 10th classes. So by electronic configuration should be write by using of a molecular diagram, but every time we don't write the molecular diagram. How? Because it will take so much of time, but the total molecular diagram we will shortcut like this. Okay, this total series 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p and 5s, the total 9 number of orbitals. We should by heart this 9 number of series. Okay, from here to here, not like this. So this total series writing from this only molecular diagram. So just by heart this series. Okay, now how to write the electronic configuration? In s orbital, how to fill the electrons in molecular diagram? In s orbital, maximum filling of electrons 2, p orbital maximum filling of electrons 6, d 10 and f 14, s2, p6, d10, f14. Okay, every orbital should increase the plus 4 electrons. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14. Okay, by using of these numbers we will fill these total orbitals. Now for example, what is an example? For example, sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium? First you have to remember up to 20 elements atomic numbers, 1 to 20, not 30. Remaining 21 to 30, that is another method to explain the electronic configuration. I will explain another video. Okay, now we have to remember 20, up to 20 elements. For example, sodium electronic configuration 11, atomic number is 11. The electronic configuration, how to fill the 11 atomic number of the sodium, we should split into this series. Okay, 11 means in s orbital 2, s orbital maximum filling of electrons 2. How many electrons are completed here? 4 electrons completed, remaining 5. In p orbital, maximum filling of electrons in p orbital 6, p6. So 2 plus 2 plus 6. How many electrons are completed here? 10 electrons are completed. Remaining 1 electron should be right here. Okay. What is the configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Right? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. Then go. Okay. Then the example, another example is nitrogen. The nitrogen atomic number is 7. So this 7 electrons, atomic number 7 means 7 electrons or 7 protons. But in the electronic configuration, we should write only number of electrons. The atomic number of this nitrogen is 7. 7 means 7 electrons. Already we know that these 7 electrons we should split into the orbital, like electronic configuration. 7 means is first s orbital. S orbital means s should be filled only 2 electrons. 2 electrons. And another s 2 electrons. How many number of electrons are completed here? 4 number of electrons are completed. Remaining how many electrons? 3 electrons. This 3 electron we should write in the p orbital, because p orbital should maximum filling of electrons are 6. So write as 3 electrons, no problem at all. So what is the electronic configuration of the nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So this is the electronic configuration of the nitrogen. Then going to sodium. So already completed, sorry. Then going to lithium, simple. Lithium atomic number is 3. So this 3 we have to split into the orbital. In s orbital 2, 2 completed. Remaining how many electrons are here? Remaining 1. 1 should be right in the s orbital. So what is that? 1s2 2s1. 1s2 2s1. Then we'll going to another example, carbon 6. 6 means 1s2 2s2 2p2. Okay, write that 1s2 2s2 2p2. So this is a simple way to explain the how to write the electronic configuration. This is the most easy and very important topic in the inorganic chemistry. Without electronic, now we are discussing about the valency orbitals. What is the valency? What are the valency orbitals? The last orbitals are also called as a valency orbitals. So, write one example. Oxygen atomic number is 8. 8 means in an oxygen atom 8 electrons or 8 protons are present. We should write that 8 electronic configuration. 8. How to write the electronic configuration of the oxygen? 8 means 1s2 2s2. How many electrons are completed here? 4 electrons are completed. 8 minus 4. Remaining 4 electrons should be right in the p orbital, 2p4. So here this is the electronic configuration of the oxygen. In this electronic configuration, where is the valency orbitals? Where is the valency orbital? Means the valency orbitals are identified by using of valency orbitals. If the simple way to explain, that is simple way to identify the valency orbitals. If the last orbital in electronic configuration, if the last orbital end with S only valency orbital. In the electronic configuration, the last orbital end with P. Both S and P act as a valency orbital. If last orbital end with D, both S and D act as a valency orbital. That is identify the valency, easy method to identify the valency orbital. Here, in this electronic configuration, which orbital is last orbital? Which orbital is last orbital? Here P. So, where P is the last orbital, what are the valency orbital? Where P is the last orbital, both S orbital and P orbital act as a valency orbital. Both these two orbitals take as a valency orbital, both S orbital and P orbital. Like this, P and S. These two orbitals are taken as a valency orbitals. So, how many electrons are present in the valency electrons? 2 plus 4. 2s2 and 2p4 electrons are valency electron. Going to another example, sodium. Already we know that the electronic configuration of the sodium is 11. Atomic number is 11. The electronic configuration of the sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. How many electrons are completed here? 10 electrons are completed. Remaining more 1. So write as a s1. Okay. Here, which is the valency orbital? So, which orbital is the last orbital? S. Where end with S orbital, the S only valence orbital. End with P orbital, both S and P. End with D orbital, both S and D orbitals are act as a valency orbital. Here, which orbital is valency orbital? The last orbital is S. S means S only valency orbital. Going to another one example. Okay. For example, fluorine. Atomic number of fluorine 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 4 plus 5, 9. Okay. Here, which orbitals are act as a valency orbital? The last orbital end with P. Here, the last orbital end with P. The P only, both S and P act as a valency orbital. What 10 orbitals are only valency orbitals.